introduce yourself? Where are you from? What do you do professionally? Just a short introduction.
Hi, my name is Sidharth, and I'm a mechanical engineer, and I have my own CNC machine shop where I do make a lot of different parts for different industries like shipbuilding, medical, defense. So I'm a mechanical engineer.
Amazing.
And I am from Goa, my workshop is in Goa, but I shuttle between Goa and Mumbai.
What has the 1 year program taught you at GJA?
The 1 year program was a amazing experience. Like I think it was. I always keep thinking that I wish I had seen or done this course about probably if this was available for me 20 years back, I might not have been an engineer. I might have been into music full time. So it has been a revelation. Like to me, I was always struggling with learning Western music and I was not getting the nuances of it. I do have some Carnatic music background, but I was never able to get the nuances of Western music. But this 1 year program really made me understand music on a whole different level. So it has been an amazing journey.
That's
And
wonderful.
I'm very grateful for it.
That's wonderful. And I have to say, it's never too late to learn music.
That's true. That's what I'm doing.
Okay. And what is the most important takeaway that you received from the 1 year program?
The most important takeaway I received from the 1 year program was how to understand music. How do you look at music? Like when you look at music from an audience point of view, it is like a magic. Like people are doing something which just sounds so amazing. But like with this 1 year program, you go behind the scenes. You're like, okay, how do you make that kind of magic? What are the building blocks in order to get there? And that is what it has been. Like there has been a combination of theory learning, practical homework, and which all has made me really, I don't know. Like I feel like I know so much about music in this 1 year that I don't think I ever would have, if not for this program.
Okay. And one last question.
Yeah.
How did you feel about today's performance?
My performance was very bad.
No, don't say that. It was actually good.
It was like I was, because this is my first time performing and I thought it was just I felt like okay, I had this too, I should at least try, if not this, but I came on the stage, I tried, I somehow completed it, but I know I could have done better because I was doing way more better in practice and rehearsal, but like when you come on the stage, it's a whole different experience. So it was a good experience, and I hope to learn more from it and probably attend more jam sessions and probably be better.
Perform more.
Perform more.